5G Next was born from one simple thought. How can the installation system contribute to making wooden floor even more sustainable? The demand of sustainable and user-friendly products are constantly growing. And as floor locking specialists, we wanted to develop a technology that meets these needs. The result is 5G Next. It has a more sustainable insert and makes installation and dismantling smoother. In other words, your products are easy to install, remove and reinstall. And it's easier and faster to correct mistakes during installation.
To promote removal, reuse and recycling, we optimized our 5G insert and made both the installation and dismantling process easier, without losing any of the advantages of our 5G technology. To further enhance the sustainability aspect, our upgraded inserts are made from biomass-balanced materials with a carbon footprint that is more than 75% smaller. For existing 5G licensees interested in adopting our new technology, this means implementation is easy and only minor profile adjustments are needed.
5G Next makes it possible to install, remove and reinstall wood flooring quickly and easily. Always with the same reliable and long-lasting results.